Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this lovely fairy tale card. It's a fairy tale scene, so let's get started and make this beautiful fairy tale card. So to make the card, firstly we'll take this fairy tale theme stencil. So it has various images like the fairy godmother, castle, crowns, unicorn, and a princess. For a card today, I'll be taking the fairy godmother image and the castle image and the princess image and the carriage image. We'll take a white cardstock to trace the stencils on it. So firstly, I'll be tracing the fairy godmother image on the left. I'm going to use a mechanical pencil to trace the image. So now we have the basic image for the fairy godmother. Next, we're going to build the image and make it complete and add some details to it. So here our image is looking really pretty. Next, we're going to make the image even more prettier by coloring it with some brush pens and some coloring mediums. So beginning with the hair, I am going to use a yellow brush pen for the hair of the fairy godmother. For the crown of the fairy godmother, we'll be using an orange glitter pen and a golden glitter pen for the twinkling star. So for the upper part of her gown, we're going to use a dark green colored sketch pen. For the details in her dress, we are going to use a pink colored glitter pen. For the lower part of the gown, we are going to use some dark green sketch pen. For the skin of the fairy godmother, we are going to use a pink Faber-Castell color pencil. For the eyes, I'll be using a black sketch pen. For the lips, I'll be using a pink colored sketch pen. For the wand, I'll be using a dark black sketch pen. I'll be taking a small scissors to cut out the image which we had colored in. So here's our fairy godmother image looking really pretty. I've cut out the other images in this similar way. I've added some glitter to the princess dress by applying glue on it and sprinkling the sparkle on it. For a base card, we are going to use this purple glitter cardstock. We're going to fold the cardstock in half to make our card base. We'll be using the cardstock in landscape position. So to create the scene, I'm going to take a blue glitter cardstock for our sky, and we are going to apply glue on the back of the blue glitter cardstock and stick it on the top of our card base. Next, we are going to take the image of a castle, and we are going to apply glue on the back of it and stick it on the front of the card. For our pathway, we are going to use a silver glitter foam. Next, I'll be taking the fairy godmother image, and I have added foam tape on its back, and I'll be sticking it on the side of the castle. We'll be sticking our carriage to the bottom of the card. Finally, we'll be sticking the princess on the bottom right of our card. For our sentiment, we'll be adding the fairy wishes onto our card. Next, we'll add a border to the front of our card. I'll be using some stone stickers to do so. We'll add some stickers to the inside of our card. So here's our beautiful card ready. This would be a perfect gift for a girl on her birthday or any of a fun occasion. So hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have liked the video, then subscribe to my channel Crystal Crafts for more videos. And you can also visit my blog craftworldb.blogspot.com for more information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Craft.